Hi, welcome to Zegal. Instead of creating a Zegal document, in this video I'm going to teach you how to use our upload and sign feature, where you can upload your own external documents for e-signing. Once you go to our upload and sign function using our sidebar menu on the left, feel free to drag and drop your desired file or upload it using the yellow upload button at the bottom. Here you can choose to edit, download, or remove the document that you uploaded. If you're happy with your document, go ahead and add signers. Here you'll need to add the relevant parties that need to sign the document. Simply search their name or email address, or add them as a new contact. Next, you'll need to specify where each party needs to sign. This is done using our platform's signature blocks. As you can see, our signature blocks can be customized to your document's needs with a variety to choose from, such as regular signatures, signer, party and role information, date of signature, and initials. So all that needs to be done is choosing the type of signature block and drag it to the relevant area where a signature is needed. You can adjust the size of the block using the arrow at the bottom right. All you need to do is make sure to do this for all respective parties. It's that simple. If needed, click the yellow circular sign button on the bottom right to e-sign the document yourself. Here you have the option of signing now or signing later, as well as the ability to draw or upload your signature. Once you've signed, your signature will automatically be placed in the relevant area. It's really that simple. After you've e-signed the document yourself, click Add Signers in the top right corner to send an invitation to all parties that need to sign. Once all your counterparties have signed, you'll receive an email notification that the document is now completed. Please make sure to check out our other videos that teach you how to use other features on Zegal. Thank you so much for watching and using Zegal.